Yeah, family, yeah, we are back again, family. And as you know, guys, I'll be trying my chapati, green chapati, and she'll be showing me how to make the green chapati. So we're doing that just now. But for now, I'm enjoying my coconut, not my coconut, but my pumpkin nuts, guys. Pumpkin nuts, so crispy. Pumpkin nuts. What are you doing there now?
I'm washing. You're gonna use spinach.
You're watching the spinach?
Washing.
Washing the spinach.
Yeah, so we use spinach.
This is how you cut spinach in Africa, in Kenya.
You do what? Is it called arranging or putting it in there?
Yeah, in Jamaica, we just cut it up big.
Here we do it like spaghetti.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one bunch should be enough.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut up this. So we're gonna put it in the blender, and we gotta actually, this is how you cut greens. Wow, you gotta learn how to do this.
I'll teach you. It's just for you to hold it well.
And you're not gonna cut your hand.
No, unless you're not holding the knife or the greens well. That's when you might slash off your finger.
Alright, family. So today we'll be eating green beans and chapati. So as you can see, family, the beans are finished. We're gonna cook it up nice. So we're gonna we're gonna blend this up to get it like watery, because that's what we're gonna use to knead the dough, to knead the chapati dough. That's what we're gonna do, family. So we're gonna add some water to this and blend it up.
So that's
what I need to do?
Balance the water, or rather put enough water that you use to knead the dough.
Okay.
So that you want to put a lot and you don't need a lot of chapatis.
Yeah. So that's our warm water, family. It's warm water, we can add it.
Actually, it's hot.
And you know this is plastic blender, so you have to be careful. Maybe you should put a little cold water in it, because this blender is not.
It's just a new one.
Yeah.
So that it won't mash up.
Baby banana, family. Pure banana. We're gonna blend this up right now.
Yeah, I had to hang up on that one.
Welcome to green chapati. Green chapati. So as you see, family, we get perfect green juice. I'm gonna try some green juice right now. So I'm gonna try some green juice, just a little. But this is very good for you, you know.
Okay, I want this pop out. Or I just put.
Just pour it. Yeah, that's it. That's enough. You taste this green juice, family. Just take the taste how it tastes. Wow, it's very nice. Yes, sir.
No.
It's good for you, sweetie.
Thank you. I don't be
I'm gonna start drinking this more regular.
the taste of my mouth.
Alright, guys, so these are the flours that we have. So this is what they use to make ugali. Ugali here in Kenya. This is brown ugali, and this is brown flour. This flour is made where? Made in product of Kenya, made in Kenya, product of Kenya, family. So normally, you know, you don't find products that made in your own country, in the West. So I'm very appreciative for this flour. It's actually made in the same country. If you can eat products that only made in your country, you stand a better chance, a healthier chance in life. Trust me.
And this is the oil you'll be using?
So this is the coconut oil we'll be using. Real coconut oil made in Kenya.
Still made in Kenya.
This is very nice.
100%
Made
Kenya.
in Kenya. So, yeah, guys, let's cook up this chapati. Make your hearty. This flour that I have right here. This is actually brown flour, family. This is actually brown flour. So I'm gonna pour. We're using brown flour for chapati to make brown chapati. We call it here brown chapati.
So you're gonna put what will be enough, right?
We're gonna put just what is enough to make it. Brown chapati. Brown chapati. And what I do next?
Mix it up. Put it up.
Mix it.
Mix the flour.
Mix the flour man like this, right?
Yeah. Put some little salt.
Yeah, pass the salt on there. So we're making brown chapati, family. Brown chapati. Brown chapati. Put a little salt in. Put a little salt in, family. So let's go. Let's make this green chapati to make ankeru hearty. First time ever done in Kenya. Making green chapati. You see everybody here eating white chapati, but I want brown chapati and green chapati. And it's just a test run anyways. The water is actually warm with the greens. The greens, family. Green chapati. Need it like how we need go. Green chapati. Green chapati. Yeah, family. So as you can see, the flour is looking so green. So you never know this could have been done. Now you know. If you don't know, now you know. I will say the family, when you go on your health journey, trust me, it's just you have to be creative. Look at this. All of the minerals from the green, and this actually will make the flour more easy to digest. You actually mix the green with it, and the flour will digest.
With some butter. How do you put butter?
Dough, life with the cabbage. So one is called dough, and it also is called cabbage. Green chapati, make me hearty. Trust me, family. Wow.
No, leave it alone.
So I want to okay. So it's supposed to be like this. Okay, shit. This is a thing on that hold it. Pepper and family. So what I get now, the rolling pin. coconut oil smells so good, family.
Make it look like chapati.
So impressed. So impressed. Guys, when I open my vegan restaurant, trust me, it's gonna be banging.
So leave it all along and look
Like
like
this. Yeah, family, so when I come back, we'll make the chapati and show you. You want to put in dough. Actually, you know, raise a little bit on the cover it for like 10 minutes before.
So when you cook immediately, you won't
Yeah.
achieve perfect results, you know?
Okay, so you're saying I should
So you should leave it at least for like 20 or so minutes, and then you come back in. So when you're rolling it on the rolling pin, it should just be moving because it will become more soft, you know?
Oh yeah.
Because now when you just kneaded it,
Yeah.
still,
Yeah.
yeah. So
All right, family. So we'll come back. And what you call it? We call this here.
What?
This thing.
In Kiswahili or in Kikuyu? We call it a pan.
A pan.
Yeah. Just
Okay.
a chapati pan.
Just a chapati pan.
Yeah, but we call it rogeyo.
Rogi, you know, Kikuyu.
Yeah.
Okay.